Now we're back to learning Google Chrome, and this time I'm going to show you how to change the color theme. When you start a new tab, like this, you can see down there at the right, you can customize it. Make sure it's set to customize Chrome, but it should be by default. And you can change the color right here. You can not only do that, you can also click on Change Theme up here. By the way, Chrome colors, this is where we were. So if you click on it, you can see the colors again. Let me go back. There are some pre-installed ones, for example, these landscape photos, or Earth cityscape photos, and also some designs like geometric patterns and stuff. If you're not happy with this selection, you can click right here on Chrome Web Store. It's set to themes automatically, and there you can download new ones. For example, this one, just click on Add to Chrome. It's going to get installed right away, so if I open a new tab, you've got it right here. Keep in mind when you change it now, so let us get back, for example, you can see Running Girls, that's the name. Let's get back to color theme, and now Running Girls is uninstalled automatically, so you have to go back to the Chrome Web Store to edit if you want this instead of a pre-installed or colored one. When you're happy, just close this menu and you're good. This so I can change the theme in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.